Hey everyone, welcome back. Keeping your Stripe account secure is super important. Today, I'll show you two free features to protect your money and data. First, let's set up two-factor authentication. Log into your Stripe dashboard. Click your profile name in the top right corner and select Settings. Then, click on Authentication and Security. Here, you will see two-factor authentication. Click Setup. You will need an authenticator app on your phone, like Google Authenticator. Follow the simple steps to scan the code. Now, logging in will require both your password and a code from your phone. Next, let's control Team Access. Go back to Settings and click Team. If you have anyone else helping you, you can add them here. The key is to assign a role. For most helpers, choose Viewer or Reporter. This lets them see data but not change anything or send money. And that's it. By using two-factor authentication and smart role permissions, you can keep your Stripe account safe. If this helped protect your business, please like and subscribe. See you in the next video.